Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in part 3 of our Louisiana Highway 16 series, we continue at approximately mile 22 on the locally named Pete's Highway. We're heading north in the city of Denham Springs in Livingston Parish. Denham Springs is the largest area of commercial and residential development in Livingston Parish. The city had a population of 9,286 as of the 2020 census. We reach a junction with US Highway 190, and here LA-16 turns left to overlap US 190 for 1 mile. We're approaching an intersection with the main north-south street through Denham Springs. This is quite a congested area, and we trimmed nearly 4 minutes out of the video due to the long wait at the light. On the left is the northern terminus of LA-3002, and LA-16 turns right onto South Hummel Street, a one-way street heading north. Opposing traffic on LA-16 runs south on Range Avenue a block ahead as LA-16 is separated into a couplet for a few blocks. The couplet comes to an end at an intersection with LA-1032 Centerville Street, and the local name becomes North Range Avenue on an undivided 4-lane highway. Denham Springs Elementary School can be seen on the right-hand side of the road. On the right is Denham Springs Freshman High School, an affiliate of Denham Springs High School founded in 1998 at the former Denham Springs Junior High and is comprised of only 9th grade students. The intersecting road is called Yellow Jacket Boulevard, which leads me to believe that the freshman uniform includes a yellow windbreaker. But no, the Yellow Jacket is the mascot of Denham Springs High School, which is located just past the intersection on the right. Shortly after leaving the city limits of Denham Springs, the highway is widened by a center median. To the left is the eastern terminus of LA-1028, Old River Road, reminding us that we're still following the Amite River, although not as closely as we were before. At the intersection ahead, we see the eastern terminus of LA-64 and the western terminus of LA-1026. On the right is the western terminus of LA-1025, and you may notice a theme here. Throughout Livingston Parish, LA-16 intersects with a number of 4-digit Louisiana highways in the same range. Highways 1019, 1022, 1024, 1026, 1028, 1031, 1032, 1033, and 1034 all have junctions with LA-16, and most of them either begin or end at LA-16, with LA-1026 beginning and ending at LA-16. These routes all date back to the 1955 renumbering of the Louisiana highways and were considered to be C routes, equivalent to farm-to-market roads in other states. Here, LA-1024 joins us in a concurrency for just over a mile. We enter the unincorporated community and census-designated place of Watson. A post office was established here in 1894 by George A. Watson, and the community centered around Live Oak School and Live Oak Methodist Church. Today there are 6 schools bearing the Live Oak name in the Watson area. As we leave the Watson area, the road has narrowed down to 2 lanes again, and we'll conclude our video at mile 31 with Live Oak High School on our immediate left. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.